Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the fun and interesting bits of guidance and information that come in during my workshops. I hope you enjoy them. This is how the 9th chakra came into my awareness. Now, I already knew that there are hundreds of chakras in the body, internally and externally, and that every single one of our joints has a chakra in it, an energy center in it. And I knew about the 7 and then the 8th chakra, the main ones that most people are familiar with. As I was working on a client about a year and a half ago, running through the intuitive energy massage, which some of you have had, and I think a couple I haven't done it with yet. Layla, I haven't done it with you yet, right? Okay. Part of this massage, you're going to get a little glimpse of it this afternoon, is the laying of your hand on each of the chakra centers to listen to what that center is telling you as the practitioner. So my client was lying on the table and I was going through the intuitive energy massage, and I had gone all the way up his body and then back down again and then back up again, which is how the treatment works. And as I was working here on his solar plexus and here on his chest, seeing and hearing isn't really a good description. It was transmitted to me that there's a chakra here, right at the top of where your ribs separate, between the solar plexus and the heart chakra. And it's called the 9th chakra. That's how it was described to me. And what I was told about this chakra is that as our awareness increases about this chakra, and as the clearing starts to happen in the activation of the 9th chakra begins to happen for people, the separateness, the separateness that we associate with the chakra centers begins to dissolve. And in fact, what starts to happen is that instead of there being a ball of red energy here and a ball of orange energy here and a ball of yellow energy here, there's a swirl. And the image that I saw was of a lava lamp with all these colors swirling up and down the column, mixing and merging, and all these shades and hues that we don't even have names for yet. And that the person who is in the 9th chakra activation ascends to the next level energetically. So we've been talking about, metaphysical communities, religious communities, been talking about the ascension for a really long time. And there's some very interesting and somewhat disturbing ideas of outside what the ascension is. This is what it is. It's not the Jehovah's Witness idea. It's not the nirvana. It's not any of that. It is within the body, within the lifetime of being human. The ascension occurs with an entirely new way of understanding each other, of recognizing each other, of hearing each other's stories. This chakra is the chakra of total and complete trust. It's the God spot, or goddess spot. God was just easier to say. It is the activation of the divine in the human form. And as our 9th chakras are being activated individual by individual, we're sending out this energy, this vibration, that then begins to raise the vibration of the entire human species. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.